Hello crafty friends, and welcome to my next project. I have another inspiration challenge, and this one is my favorite to date. I created 4 cards for this challenge, but I'll be sharing 2 cards in this video. You can check out my blog to get a closer look at the other 2. So here is the inspiration photo that I'll be using, and again I'll be using the content as well as the colors. Now, my idea around the projects in this video is kind of faux watercoloring. I'm going to be using some dye inks for stamping, as well as spraying some water on the ink before I stamp, and then I'll be coming in with my watercolor brush markers for the background. Again, 2 cards. Second card, I'll be using watercolor as well with an embossing folder. So as always, I am going to throw on some music and I will catch you at the back end. All right, so here are my finished cards. This first one here is my favorite. I love how it turned out, and it was so easy to do, so simple. And here's my second one with the embossing folder, really loose with the watercolors, but still turns out really beautiful, kind of distressed. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I had made 2 other cards. They're fairly similar. I just used some different roses, but I love how these turned out as well. Use some dripping ink as well as some really dark ink blending with black and green, as well as some splatter. I might have overdone it on this card with the splatter, but that's okay. Again, you can check out my blog for my supply list and a closer look at these other 2 cards. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will catch you at the next project.